This was a great experience. I'm very impressed with the work that Istueta Roofing has done. From inception to completion, the entire project, the process was absolutely detailed. Every step of the way was explained, what I needed to focus on, picking the colors, the time frame, everything went according to plan, which is very surprising in this industry. Every single day, everything was cleaned and protected. Nothing was damaged in the process. No time for errors. Everything was just one step after the next. They were always on top of it. I'm very impressed with this company, and I'm definitely going to recommend them to my friends and family.